What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's good to be back. It's good to be back on the chat. It's good to be back on streaming. I miss you guys so much. Last week was good, and this week is looking. This week is basically looking fire already. So gold is currently. I, I spoke about gold getting to 5K. I spoke about gold getting to 5K, and gold has actually approached 5K, and we're looking for opportunities now. I sent out a trade. What's up, guys? Good to have you back in the stream. So I sent out a trade on gold, but called it off because price didn't do exactly what I want. But it's looking like gold is still cooking something for us. So we just have to wait for the candle to close. Then you look for opportunities to buy. Like it's simple, like very simple market structure. There's nothing I can tell you. There was a similar thing we entered like this last week, but we're not online. We're not active early. So if not, we should have gotten into an opportunity somewhere around here, and we have got this move to the upside. But since we have missed that, so we're above here now. So we have about 8 more minutes to the end of this candle. This is 30 minutes candle. So we're going to wait for the 30 minutes candle, and from there we're looking for opportunity. So hopefully this candle doesn't break above. But even though it does, it's still fine with us because this in 15 minutes is a bullish structure here. So this is just basically going to be like a a resistance where price is breaking above, and we're just looking to fill up the wick. So it be like a resistance price, we just break above that level and we look to fill up the wick. So that is what we're going to do. So if you're joining into the stream, please do give the stream a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. Drop a comment from wherever you're coming from, and let's do that. So let's go back to Voice Factory quickly. Let's see what we have. If you have any news event this week, I'm trying to bring out my tools, but um, bring people to Zoom, but my Zoom app is not responding. So you can see we have couple of news events this week. We have FOMC statements on Wednesday. We have our unemployment claim on Thursday. You can see everything we have going on this week, and that's basically it. So not too much, nothing less. So what you need to do is wait for this trade and see what can happen. So for sales, if you're looking for sales, if you're looking for selling opportunity on gold, where do I think I could likely jump into a sell from? I'm going to show you guys quickly because my system seems to be lagging. So just give me 1 minute while it loads up. So for selling opportunity on gold, hold on, guys. For selling opportunity on gold, I will need price to. One second, like it's actually hanging. I can't do much. Can't do much. Alright, guys, so we have 5 more minutes to the end of the candle, and you can see the candle is trying to push bullish right now. You can see how the candle is pushing. So we're just waiting to see how that closes. Then from there, we know exactly how we're going to respond to the candle. So what do I want price to do? How do I look to execute this trade? What do I want to see in the market in order for me to execute a buy on gold? So hold on, guys. So I simply want I want this price, the same thing I always talk about every single time, the same structure, the same thing. I want this candle to end like weak bearish, like this. Then the next candle should print out bullish candle. So as it's breaking the highs, that's where I want to look to go in and continue pushing upwards for buys to fill up this weak rejection we have here. So that's what I want to do. We have about just 4 minutes, so just stay active. Let's get our things in order, and we look to make some money off the street, hopefully. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes, and we look to look for opportunities. Three more minutes, guys. Like I said, this is exactly what I want price to do. This since the count is ending in 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes. What I want price to do on gold is I want the this current 30 minutes candle to close weak bear like this, and the next candle should which is the London Open, should break down a bit, and as it's breaking above the highs, I'll look to go in for longs and look to make money off the trade. So this is exactly what I want price to do. Hopefully London volume bring the trade for us and we look to make some money. So that's exactly what I want price to do. So let's wait and see if we're going to get that in the next few minutes, and let's see. Let's see if we can measure this count. This count should be like 100 and something pips. Okay, 90. Okay, about 100. Okay. Okay. That's good. So it's calm. It's all calm. Let's just wait. Let's wait, guys. So if you're joining the stream, please give the stream a like. Just give us a like, guys. It's very important for us so we can push our content. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. Give the stream a like and comments. Leave the comments. You can comment wherever you're streaming from. So I doubt that we're going to get what we want. This candle has feel bearish on the 15 minutes. I don't want to sell gold. Like obviously it's way overbought, but I do not want to sell gold. Like there's no possible way I should be looking for selling opportunity on gold right now. But I do not want to sell gold. I have 1 more minute. So let's see. Let's see, guys. We'll wait patiently, and if we get opportunity, we get it. If we don't, we just know that we have a new resistance above here, and price could print. I'm not looking for opportunity for sales now, so if we can get a break above here, then we can look for a retest and we can buy. You get, so that's something else we can work towards. So let's look at gold from the 1 hour perspective. Look at it from the 1 hour candle. So 1 hour candle is still telling us that I can push up. It's giving us a bullish candle. 30 minutes is closing bearish, but it's not breaking. It's not closing below this level. So this is what we have. Not closing below this level. Unless it does, you have a few more seconds. Unless it does, but this is what we're working with. So we just have to wait. Like we have to just wait for price to do something for us. And mind you, today is Monday, so we don't want to go around chasing opportunities in the market. We don't want to go around chasing opportunities in the market. So we wait. So that's it. Candle has closed. We're in London section right now. I can see double bottom on the 15 minutes weak rejection. We just have to wait, guys. I have to wait, guys. Bless me. We're waiting, guys. Let's wait for the next 15 minutes. Let's see what price does. Then from there, you can look to go in. We're waiting. We're waiting now. We're waiting, guys. We're seeing there's a lot of volume on London, so we're waiting to see how it basically plays out. So we have about 12 more minutes. Hold on. I know the 1 hour is looking good actually. I'm looking at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour is looking like it has broken above. If we break above this structure, it might continue. But what we're going to happen is that let's wait for the 5 minutes candle to close. Then we might enter off the 5 minutes candle. Okay, guys, let's wait for the 5 minute candle. Let's see if the 5 minute candle will close above this level. Sorry, guys, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. My light has gone. All right, guys, let's see. Let's see how this 5 minutes close. The 1 hour is broken above the 1 hour high, so I want to wait for the 15, but on the other hand, let's see if the 5 minutes candle will close above this place, and we might just buy it. But if it doesn't, so just if this particular 5 minutes don't close above, we're going to then we're going to just wait. We're going to wait for the 15 minutes. I'm going to wait for the 15 minutes. Alright, guys, we're waiting for the 15 minutes candle. So let's see how the 15 minutes close. And we'll look to But waiting, guys. Let's wait for the 15 minutes candle to close. Then from there, we know what we're going to do. We think about what we're going to do. The 1 hour is good. From this particular entry here, is about 60 pips. So that's fine. But that's not our entry at the end of the day. So this is what we're waiting for now. We're waiting for this 15 minutes candle to close. We have about 9 more minutes. So let's hold on. Let's wait for the candle to close. If we get that candle closure, we get the candle closing above the structure, then we will look to place our trades, see if we can make any money from this good. Let's basically see if we can make any money from this opportunity. But for now, we wait and see the possibilities. Wait and see the possibilities. Wait and see the possibilities. And see that rejection. Crazy ass rejection. Created a top week and rejected. Man, with a lot of volume, volatility, price has done today, I'm surprised that we haven't gotten any trade. As in, I was thinking that maybe we'd have gotten like 2 or more trades. I'm surprised, man. Six more minutes, guys. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, and we decide if we're going to place a trade on gold now or not. 6 more minutes, guys. Six more minutes or 5 more minutes. Let's see how gold plays out. Like I said, I'm not looking for any, even though price sell off massively, I'm not looking for any selling opportunity. I don't want to be in any sales on gold right now. Do you get me? I do not. I'm not trying to be a sniper or cash it from the very top or it's falling down. I do not want to be that person. So any opportunity for price trying to sell, wanting to sell, like I'm not putting my hand in it. My hand is way far away from there. Do you understand? Like my hand is far away from there. The only opportunity I want, the only thing I want to see on gold is this candle closing bullish above this level. Like I just want to see this candle closing bullish above this level like this. I know price is way overbought, but I want to see price closing like this because price has started rejecting of this level, creating some kind of levels. Then I can look for opportunities to buy. This is what I want to see on gold. You get me? I know yes, there's a possibility that price can sell off from here, but it's not my thing. So if I want to look for any sales on gold, it should be below this structure here, and that is about 300 pips if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, about 300 pips. So that's the only place I would likely look to sell gold. If I don't get it there, then there's no point about it. 5 more minutes, guys, or 4 more minutes. Can we get that bullish push? If there's volume in the market, yes, gold can do that. So if there's volume in the market, gold can push. So let's see in the next 3 minutes if you can get price pushing above. Let's see, guys. We have about 3 more minutes to the end of the candle. Price is not doing anything. Nah, I probably like right now. So we're waiting, guys. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. Less than 3 more minutes. Let's see, can we get that close? So we can get a trade. If we don't get the close, we can't have a trade, and we just move ahead. Or can we get that close? We don't get that close, guys. Like it's perfectly above this level. Like it's gonna be the entry is gonna be perfect because the 15 minutes is matching the 5 minutes. It happens to be like the last 5 minutes of the 15. Which good. I'll just need like a small retest of the candle. Once candle flip, get a retest and a flip, then we can look for longs. That's exactly what I want on gold. One more minute, guys. One more minute, guys. Okay, a few more seconds. I think we're gonna get the break. A few more seconds, guys. Let me get my stuff ready. Let me open my MC5 because it was shut down on my system. So it looks like we're getting an opportunity now on gold. We just need a small retest and we're in. Waiting for that close, guys. Well, my tools is not working now. I'm trying to bring out this out and it's not coming. Okay, price has closed. We need that retest, guys. We need that small retest. We need that small retest. We need price retesting this structure a bit. Guys, I might not be able to call this trade out on time. might not be able to call out the trade on time, guys. Okay, it's been sent out. Let me adjust the stop loss. Um, 46 pip stop loss. Alright, guys, it's been all set. Let's see if you get triggered. Okay, guys, we're in. We're in, guys. We're in, guys. Can we get that volume? Trade is active, guys. Oh, my system is hooking. I can't see anything. Like, my system is actually hooking, guys. Like, it's literally not operating. Like, it's literally not operating. Like, nothing is working like this. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. So we're in this trade. We're in this trade, guys. So let's see. We're in trade, guys. We're in profit as well, but the system is not, it's lagging. My system is lagging, guys. It's lagging. Like you can see, it's lagging. We're in drawdown, guys. We're in drawdown. We're in bit of drawdown. So let's see if we can get a push and let's see if we can get in profit and make some money. But for now, we're in drawdown. Like this is like basically at our entry. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Like there's dead volume to the upside. Price is not really doing what I want it to do. Like the volume to the upside is not really there. But while observing the trade, guys. Hopefully this 5 minutes close bullish above. If it close like this, on the 5 minutes, let me see the 5 minutes. Show you what it is. Let me show what's going on in 5 minutes. The 5 minute close like this is good. Once it breaks above this 5 minutes high, I feel like we should get a drive to the upside. So that's what we're banking on. So let's see how that plays out. That we're banking on. Let's see how that plays out, guys. So I feel like you guys should move your stop loss since the 5 minutes has closed bullish. Move your stop loss to this low. Just move it like below here for like 28 pip. Let's not lose any money. Let's manage our risks. So let's move our surplus to like 28 pips. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to move my surplus. I'm going to manage my stop loss. That's it. So I feel like if price break below the 5 minute structure, 5 minutes low, it's going to fall to the downside, and I don't want to be in the trade no more once it does that. So I'm looking to manage my trade properly and aggressively. So that's what I'm, because it's taking time. If I'm in a good trade by now, I should rather be in profit already. So it's taking time. It's taking time to move. So I want to be in and out of this trade in no time, not price playing around and dragging me in. So you can see it's pushing down, pushing up, like it's just dancing around, like it's seriously dancing around. So I'm just waiting, and at this point I'm just waiting, guys. But let's see. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting to see how the trade plays out. The 5 minutes not looking friendly at all. We have a bearish candle. Might get stopped out quickly. Might get our stop loss soon on this trade, but let's hope. Let's hope we don't. Waiting, guys. Okay, we're back in profits. We're back in entry actually, not profit. All right, guys, we're in profit back. Still on the trade, playing with our feelings. Back to entries. The trade just playing with our feelings, guys. Okay, guys, it's about to break above the other high. So I think we should move our stop loss. Once it breaks above, I'll move our stop loss to BE. Once we break the other 5 minutes high, I'll move our stop loss to BE. It hasn't done that yet.
Ever had those roller coaster days when your vibe just keeps changing? From rush hour mornings to intense work blocks and that 2 hour evening workout, your daylist keeps up with every step of the way. Your mood evolves through the day, and so does your daylist.
Man, this is
One
crazy. So it's about the 30 minutes about to close. Hopefully, we don't get stopped out. Hopefully, we don't get stopped out because the 30 minutes might also do its own rejection before thinking to like before pushing upward. So hopefully, we don't get stopped out. So we just have to cross our fingers and hope that we don't get stopped out. But we have about 3 more minutes before the 30 minutes can close. So I'm I'm trying to think where can I put if I should move my stop loss to be because we're literally at entry points. Let's try the entry. 2 more minutes to the end of the candle, and gold is not looking like it wants to push up. So I'm feeling like I should close it at our entry. Then although we already managed our stop loss from the initial point here, we had it, so already adjusted it already. We're just in 28 people now stop. Let's wait. This trade is taking forever. Like from last week, you had like the fastest trade to us having like the slowest trade right now on stream, which is crazy. It's actually crazy. All right, guys. It has broken above the previous 5 minutes, like the first 5 minutes candle. I think so. Okay, not yet. Almost. Almost. Once you break above this 5 minutes candle, move your stop loss to be, guys. Once you break above that level, move your stop loss to be. Like this trade is not ready to move at all, guys. Okay, I'm going to play safe, guys. I'm going to play safe. I'm going to close off and I will re-enter once the candle close. I'm going to play safe. Because this trade is not looking like it wants to push. So I'm going to 30 minutes is closing, so the 30 minutes is still good for buys. You get me? 30 minutes is still good for buys. So 30 minutes has closed. Can we survive? The problem is that can our stop loss survive? That's just the only problem. You get can our stop because the 30 minutes is still good for buys. Let's see. It's already pushing. So let's see. Let's see if we can get the break. It's rejecting back. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting, guys. All right, guys. I think we in 10 pips. Move stop loss to B. Move stop loss to B, guys. Move your stop loss to B. I couldn't even move. I couldn't even move it on time. Price is misbehaving. All right, guys. We're practically risk free on this trade. Not risk free, sure, but I just brought my like. We're seeing the trade. But it's misbehaving. The price is misbehaving seriously. That's broken above the high, so I expect it to. I expect it to drive. So let's see. That's broken above the high, so I expect the trade to actually drive. So, but we're still monitoring the trade right now. So let's observe. Okay, guys. I've lost interest in this trade completely because it's not it's not pushing. It's not doing anything. But we're seeing the trade, guys. We're seeing the trade. Like there's no volume for price to push up. Like there's no volume to the upside. Like price has little to no volume to the upside. So like little to no volume, guys. It's trying its best, but it does not want to move up. Alright, guys. I'm moving my stop loss to BE. I cannot have this anymore. I'm moving my stop loss to BE, guys. So if I get stopped at this point, I don't care no more because price is playing with my feelings deeply. So I'm moving my stop loss to BE and allowing the trade do what it wants to do. So if I get stopped out, so be it. Well, okay, I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out of the trade. So I've been in this trade. I've been on this trade for a long time, longer than I'm supposed to be. So I'm not having it anymore. I don't like the way the trade is moving. Like it's just dancing, it's dancing, seriously dancing. So it might drive up. It might actually drive up, but I don't like how it's playing with my feelings too much. So So I don't want to be part of it. You get me? I don't want to be part of it. So that'll be all for me today. That will basically all for me today, guys. So I'm going to see you guys same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow, guys. We're going to stream same time tomorrow. Peace and love.